Students, today we will study about the harmful effect of the bacteria. First is food poisoning. Many bacterial species which grow on the foodstuff liberate exotoxins causing food poisoning. The principal kind of food poisoning are Staphylococcus food poisoning and botulism. Staphylococcus aureus is the most common source of Staphylococcus food poisoning. The organism releases an exotoxin known as enteroprotoxin while growing in foods. This toxin is heat stable and capable of withstanding boiling up for 1 hours. The incubation period of the disease in man is 6 hours. Mortality is rare. Clostridium botulinum causes the rare and the fatal type of food poisoning of man and other animals known as botulism. Botulism exotoxin is one of the most powerful poisonous poison known. Second type of activity harmful effect of bacteria is bacteria and the disease. The bacteria are the harmful to man because they causes various disease of man and domesticated animal and of cultivated plant. In man and other animal, the symptoms of bacterial disease are often due to poisonous product termed toxin formed by the bacteria. These toxins are of two types, they are exotoxin and endotoxin. The bacteria produce only one type of toxin. Each species of bacteria produce only one type of toxin. The exotoxins are released from the living bacterial cell. Endotoxins are released from the bacterial cell only upon their disintegration, and they are probably protein degraded product. They are not as toxic as exotoxin. Bacterial disease of man. There are various types of common diseases which are caused by bacteria to the human being. The disease name as the actinomycosis, a chronic disease of the face and other part of the body caused by the pathogenic bacteria known as the actinomyces israeli. The disease name acute diarrhea and urinary tract infection caused by the Eriomonas, Eriomomomus hydrophilia. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Pneumonia is caused by Legionella pneumonia. Urinary tract infection is caused by Escherichia coli. Then conjunctivitis is caused by the bacteria known as the Chlamydia tracheomonitis. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. There are various types of bacterial disease which infect the plant also. Like citrus canker, the causal organism is Xanthomonas citri. Angular leaf spot or black arm of cotton is caused by Xanthomonas malvacearum. Bacterial wilt of maize is caused by Xanthomonas stewarti. There are various types of canker. Bacterial tomato canker caused by the Corynebacterium michiganensis. Black rot of cabbage is caused by Xanthomonas campestris. Fire blight of an apple is caused by Irvinia is caused. Fire blight of apple is caused by Irvinia amylovora. Leaf blight of rice is caused by Xanthomonas oryzae. Red stripe of sugarcane is caused by Xanthomonas rubrillianiens. Wilt disease of potato is caused by Pseudomonas solanacearum. Yellow ear rot of wheat or tunda disease is caused by Corynebacterium tritici. Disease, bacterial disease that harms the animals are the animal brucellosis of pig, cattle and goat. The causal organism is Brucella species. Anthrax of sheep and cattle is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Black leg of cattle is caused by Clostridium canveii. Bovine cholera and hemorrhage septicemia is caused by Pasteurella multitocida. Vibriosis is caused by Vibrio titus, Vibrio titus. Bacterial bacteria reduce the soil fertility. Certain bacteria, example Thiobacillus denitrificans and Micrococcus denitrificans, are capable of transforming the nitrate to nitrite, which is given off to the atmosphere. This process is called denitrification and result in the loss of nitrogen from the soil. Thank you.